Well, here I go again, out looking for wildlife. I think I'm addicted. Yesterday evening I came out and on my way to the refuge I passed this small pond, and usually it may have something on it, but I saw these two little creatures. But I have no clue what they are. Aren't they just the coolest? So you never know what you're going to find, and that is, I guess that's the adventure for me. It just makes it like I've got to get out here. And I wasn't planning to come out this morning. I'm coming up to the pond where I saw those two little critters yesterday. So let's see if there's anything out there this morning. Nothing here. And look at this. It appears they're going to be putting up a new sign. Nice. Good morning. Oh, aren't you cute? Yeah, you're cute. Hello. Look how the flowers are coming back because we've had the recent rain showers. They're so pretty. Did I mention that I might be addicted? Well, it's another morning, and we have that tropical storm Beta brewing up in the Gulf there. Gulf. I said Gulf. I was watching the U.S. Open, the final yesterday. Yay for DeChambeau. I just had to get out because it's perfect conditions. We had some rain yesterday. And this morning is very overcast. Just got that storm feel to it. There's that garfish. Could be the same one. Oh, he's moving. Look at that. How cool was that? Thank you. blowing the heck out of me over there. So I decided to hit the trail. They're working on the sign. There's one windy experience out there today. What a beautiful morning. Well, thanks for watching. I know some of you really like this wildlife, as I do. So enjoy.